Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue chicken gravy. First, you'll need to collect the flavorful drippings from your cooked chicken. Next, we'll create a simple roux using butter and flour, which forms the base for our gravy's perfect consistency. Then, we'll slowly whisk in the chicken drippings and your favorite barbecue sauce, ensuring a smooth and rich blend. Finally, we'll simmer it to perfection, ready to enhance any meal. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute until it forms a smooth paste, known as a roux. This golden brown mixture is crucial for thickening your gravy. Ensure it's cooked just enough to remove the raw flour taste without burning. Slowly pour the 1 1/2 cups of chicken drippings into your roux, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once smooth, stir in 1/2 cup of your chosen barbecue sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to whisk for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the gravy to reach a luscious, thick consistency. Once your gravy has reached the desired thickness, taste it and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper as needed. If it's too thick, a small splash of chicken broth can thin it out perfectly. Serve this delightful barbecue chicken gravy warm over your favorite dishes, like roasted chicken, creamy mashed potatoes, or fluffy rice. It's a fantastic way to elevate any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.